Today, we'll explore how to add a professional touch to your videos with fade-in and fade-out effects using CapCut. Let's get started. Bring your video onto the timeline, and for a clearer view, zoom in. To initiate a fade-in, move your playhead to the first frame. Select the clip, go to Video, Basic, click Opacity, and create your first keyframe by clicking on the keyframe symbol next to Opacity. Suppose you want a 1-second fade-in. Move the playhead to 1 second, create the second keyframe, and click the back arrow to return to the first keyframe. Now, reduce the opacity to 0, and your fade-in is set. Apply the same technique to text. Select the text clip, move to the first frame, and make your first keyframe. Move the playhead ahead and create a keyframe. Click the back arrow and reduce the opacity to 0. That's it. You've successfully added a fade-in effect to your video and text. You can simply repeat the steps to also add the fade-out effects. Enhance your videos effortlessly with these fade-in and fade-out effects in CapCut. Enjoy your editing.